What is up, scrappers, tool addicts, tool collectors? Welcome to Ccscraps and Restoration channel. So I went to Harbor Freight today because if you live up in the Northeast like I do, it's about 5 degrees today and it's cold. I vowed never to be cold again. Yeah, Scout Crafter, I took your advice. I went out and got a heater. I got this double-headed one from Harbor Freight. Super coupon, I think I paid $55 and I got a year warranty. We got Andy M up on the TV. Looks like he's working on a electrician's knife that 357 Magdad sent him. So keep him going here while we do this quick video. I don't know what we're really going to get into today because it is cold and I'm trying to get the shop to cool off, heat up. This is on low and I can feel it and it's already made a difference in here. Like I can tell. So this is low. Let's crank her up to high. So that's high right there. Looks like something out of some sci-fi video game, don't it? It looks like a cute little robot, but those eyes are going to shoot like lasers at you or something. Smoke your damn boots. But that's hot right there, and I'm probably 8 feet away, maybe. And I can feel it. But I mean, you can still see my breath. Can you guys see my breath? No? Let's turn it back down a little. There we go. When I first fired it up, it started, smoking a little bit, but that's all that Chinese oil that we've grown to love from Harbor Freight. If you guys have a cold shop in somewhere cold, I suggest you get one of these. This definitely takes the edge off. I'm in, here, let's stop the camera. All right, so let's go over the, what it is, 30,000 BTU, dual-headed tank top heater, I guess is what it's called, propane heater. Directions are pretty simple. You don't really need them to set it up. It's just, you're screwing one bolt on your, that right there. Just tightens up to, part of your propane tank. Coming around here, this part here, it's kind of, you guys see my hand? All right, I turned you around because that was all sorts of effed up and ass backwards. So I'll show you here better this way. This just is kind of like a little, it's kind of like a clamp. You got your, you got the little handle, and then you got a jam nut right there. Once you get your desired tightness, just tighten that little jam nut up, and that'll keep it from backing off. Then over here, it just screws onto your propane tank. And I think I should have did this up the other way because there's little gauges on here. You can see how your, like your settings and stuff. So that's a little wonky when you take it out of the box because this is up here. You know what I mean? Just, it's like, this is kind of like up there for shipping reasons and stuff. So it's kind of weird that it's like that, but I mean, it's pretty solid. You're going to have 2 nuts and bolts here to make the little T to set it up. There's a little notch cut out of the metal here and you're good to go. Also too, what's weird, to light it, you got to push these little buttons and you hear the propane start to flow. You see what I'm doing here? Right there, hold on a second. Let's get out the old Mrs. Ccscraps' pointer here. Let's switch hands. Let's switch the old hands here. So you push that in right there, and then it lights, or you push it in and then you light a match to that. It's not like an electric start. You light a match to that little dude right there. I don't want to get too close because this is plastic. And then same with this one too, right here. You have your, push that in. And this is on low. I had to turn it down, so go figure on that one. All right, so let's go over the pamphlet now, or the directions that they gave us. Yeah, see, it's warmer in here, so it's, I took my hat off, got my ball cap on. So it's 3,000 BTU tank top heater, propane heater. The directions, like you've seen, it's pretty simple. I do have my door vented out, so you guys don't think you got to make sure the doors are vented out, so you got a constant flow of air, because you don't want to breathe in the the fumes or whatever. But this is a pretty big shop and the air's flowing pretty good, and I believe that I should be okay with it. Just I got it, about 3-4 inches cracked open. I mean, I'm standing probably 5 feet from this thing, and I turned it down, and I can still feel it heating. So I could work in here, I think. You know what I mean? I feel like I want to turn it up, but I don't want to burn the propane out. This is about a half a tank of propane I had left over. So, from the summertime. But let's see. So, what I do like about Harbor Freight things is that they give you the breakdown of everything and the part number and how to rebuild this thing if you had to. Like your tech manual, so to speak. But, if something does break on this, I could probably fix it if I ordered the part, or I could probably find the part maybe down the street at a Lowe's or something. I don't know. Let's just hope it doesn't crap the bed. If it does, I got a year warranty. Other than that, I think we'll get this video on up. And yeah, that'll do it. So, you want to watch, George, you said you have like a salamander, right? And then you've got a single one that it just keeps it going. That might not be a bad idea for me to do, but I think this dual one will work, or maybe I'll get another dual one and I'll have like it in stereo. That would be cool. Maybe that's on the horizon. Yeah. I get propane tanks refilled for pretty cheap, so through my job, so we get the discount because of being an employee there. Chilling out in the shop today with some peanut butter whiskey. Screwball. What do you think? Crack it open? Ooh. Oh, that's good. Wow. Okay. It's good, but it's real sweet, and it's peanut buttery, and it tastes really good. Not something I could drink all day and night, though. A couple drinks of it, and then you got to put it away for another time. And we got a little bit of Jenny Cream Ale. This is a local brewery right around down the street from me here in, I can't remember where it is. Rochester, New York, it's brewed. Yeah, 82 Genesee Street, Rochester, New York. This has been around forever. Yeah, Dad, I used to steal the Red Eyes and your cream ales from you, and your Lowenbrow, and your Millers. And your Peels. Dude, what the hell was wrong with you drinking Peels? Oh my God. That was the worst beer ever, man. Or were you getting the Peels because you know I was stealing all the stuff that you liked? Did you know that or no? Maybe you did, maybe you didn't. Oh well, I'm 52. So anyway, let's get this video up, and I'm probably going to get my teeth slapped out of my head by my mother. She told me one day that I'm never too old to get my ass beat. She's probably right. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Ccscraps and Restorations. Y'all have a great weekend.